with Pangea? She like, let's change the subject. Okay. This bitch don't know about Pangea. Brain, leave it alone.
Oh my gosh, guys. What is that?
Oh my god.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad!
Baby, I don't understand it. Changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take it.
Come home, there's a sign in my kitchen to describe why I'm missing. Gone fishing, white hot raps. I got stacks sometimes when I die. I drop tracks, I got a lot, I toss cats if I'm feeling nice, then I might not. Boom, boom, boom. I can't stop singing this bloody tune.
Butt plugs are all fun and games until somebody farts and shoots the cat.
Mike, when I was walking down the street and he went, yo, that ass is fat. And I was like, this ass? And he was like, that ass.
Ever been walking down the street with your best bro, and while you're walking you accidentally touch hands? You think to yourself, that was weird, but I'm not gay. You are. You are gay.
Okay, guys, I'm doing the Kyle Challenge 2019. Let's go. Kyle.
Oh, what's poppin'?
What the fuck is that? A ghost, Ray.
A ghost?
A ghost.
Like a dead ghost?
Yes! Ray, that's what we've been trying to tell you for 15 minutes! You idiot!
Just get your ass over there right fucking now.
Fuck you!
This is why mom and dad got a divorce, Dawson. Get your ass over there.
Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say. Pussy in your face, had to put you in your place. 7 letters on the plate, fuck you when I break. I got.
Yeah, that's what I said to him. I said, if you put any more sugar in my tea, buddy, I'm gonna bitch slap you all the way back to fucking Timbuktu. Lick me up, I'm sweet and salty. Kiss my ass, I couldn't give a fuck now.
I caress it, cause I possess it. I'm stingy, and it's
Oh my god, you're the cute one, aren't you? Fuck.
Yeah, she is.
No, you are. Fuck.
Wait, what?
I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't eat, can't sleep. Maybe I'm coming down with something.
Oh, I know what you've got. The L word.
Yeah, leprosy.
No, Sid.
Come on, let's go. Come on, Des.
I just wanted a simple picture of the sunset. That's it.
We're gonna burn that. Hold the ladder. Hold the ladder. I don't have to. You can get down. Hold the ladder. I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
Hey dude, did you hear Joe has ligma?
What's Wait, this is a trap. He wants me to ask what ligma is so he can respond and say ligma balls. I'm not gonna fall for this one.
Who's Joe? Joe Mama.
Fuck!
I slept in late while you worked at the drugstore. My drug's attention, I am an addict, but I get paid to indulge in my habit. It's all an illusion, I'm wearing makeup,